What is up, guys? New video. So I got some pretty cool stuff from this really cool company called Focus Fab. He hit me up, sent me some really cool pieces. I'm really excited to show you guys, so let's take a look. As you guys know, I've had some really ugly ass stock bash bar on the front right here a long time ago. Also, disregard my really ghetto old mounts that the previous owner did. That's all going to be changed soon because this is just terrible. I haven't had a chance to get to it yet, but that's going to be all tube fronted and all different soon. But anyway, had the ugly bash bar, no bumper, just terrible looking car, and I hated it. I was actually gonna buy a bash bar really soon, and they actually hit me up, and now I got some really cool bash bars. I got one other piece as well, so let's take a look at that. Alrighty, so I had this bash bar on the front already, didn't paint it, and it got kind of rusted. It's okay, I'm gonna send it all off, but it's still super nice piece. But the rear one, I haven't touched yet. It's been sitting in my room, but it's super nice. The welds are beautiful. Jack point for the rear, looks really sturdy. Oh, it's so good. Oh, it's really nice. I'm really stoked on it. But his logo right here, Focus Fab, TFF. It's really sick, but I shouldn't have put this in the car, but I was anxious to want to see what it looked like, so I just put it on, but now it got rusty. But it's okay, we're gonna sand it all down, and we're gonna paint it and make it look really good for the car, but you're not gonna see mostly. You'll see this when the bumper goes on it, but like, it'll complement the Kansai wheels and the Hyper Silver, so it'll be really cool. But yeah, I'm real stoked on these. Don't just disregard all the rust. Sorry guys, but it's gonna be sanded off and they can look brand new. But I couldn't help to resist to put it on the car for an event so I could see what it looked like, because I could not stand that stock bash bar. So let's get to it. I'm gonna sand this down, prime all this, and then paint it all nice and silver and make it look pretty. Got a cool little care package, got a nice little hat. Oh, I got a nice little note. What did it say? I hope you enjoy your new S13 bash bars. We appreciate your support and look forward to working with you and your team over the upcoming drift season. Andrew. Thank you, Andrew. Really stoked. We got a shirt. Ooh, Mott's. Got some nice gummies, some stickers, and some hardware bolts. Brian, you want some Mott's? Oh, that was a bad throw, but you got it. But yeah, these are just super. Oh wow, I got a lot of stickers. Holy crap. Okay, all right. Got some stuff. I got one more piece to show you that I really liked. As soon as I saw his page from the bash bars and all the stuff he sends out and all of his products, I saw this combo tank, and I thought the idea of having a 2-in-1 combo tank for a 240 would be really cool. Plus, I'm not really a color guy. I like black and silver and white and shades and stuff like that, and have some really old ISR looking crappy overflow in my car and like a really cheap catch can. So I hit him up and said, yeah, I'll send you one. So we got this one. It's the combo tank, so the big catch can right here in the front, and then the overflow right here. And the best part about this is I have a really crappy like clamp freaking hose line BS thing on my 1J, and now I'll have AN lines that'll be really nice and look a lot more professional. And obviously work a lot better too. So this is sick. I'm gonna try and get this installed tonight. I might not get it installed tonight. We'll see. I probably won't, but I'm gonna mock it up. Oop. So I did the full engine bay overhaul. I already had this painted, and I didn't want to have it matching the engine bay. I just didn't like it, but I was too lazy to do it. So now that I have the new combo tank, I'm probably going to sit right here. I'm going to paint this satin black so it can match the combo tank. I'm going to paint this satin black to match the new TFF combo tank right here. This is not the combo tank. This is the old ISR one that everybody has in 240s for the past 20 years or whatever. So that's going to be retired, and then have the new combo tank here. I'm going to paint the intake tube black so it can kind of contrast and match with that, because I don't like how this matches with the engine bay at all. So yeah, no big deal. But I probably won't get it working tonight, the combo tank. Well, I might. But disregard my ghetto fix at the track. This my return line actually burnt off, and I used the line I had for this for the return line, and that was for like 3 more runs to have it ghetto rigged for like one event. But I haven't got to it yet, so it's gonna be all redone and made it look professional and all brand new. But anyway. God, I love this engine bay so much. But anyway, I'm gonna start painting all this stuff and make it look nice and make it look, upgraded for 2020. Because I've only done like probably maybe 10-ish events with this new setup. So I'm not gonna pull the engine or refresh it for anything. It's already refreshed. It's already ready to go. Pretty much what I'm gonna do is just paint some things and check the oil. Because everything else is brand new, so it's not worth taking it apart again. So, all right, let's get to it. 20-30 minutes in this stupid little pipe, because if you don't prep stuff when you paint it, it comes out like shit like before. So I'm going down to the bare metal in this little pipe, so I can get the scene looking actually nice and not looking nasty. I use my electric sander, really high grit sandpaper, so I can get it like really bare, and then so I can sand it out with lower grit.
400,
yeah. 400 grit, so I can make it smooth and nice, so the texture looks really nice when I paint it, so it's smooth. So if you paint anything ever, prep's the most important part of anything. So I've learned. Always heat up anything you're ever gonna paint thoroughly so it can bond real nice. What? And it's very cold outside. This is not paint, this is BHT primer. I'm gonna prime it and give it one more sand afterwards. And after that, I'll start painting it, but it needs a good primer and more of a sand to it, because I grinded it down pretty heavy. So once I'm done primering it, I'll go back to paint. Well, sand it and then repaint again. I got some welding, what's it called? Wig wire?
Yeah, welding wire.
Welding wire holding this little bash bar up so I can get this thing painted and on the car. So I hate painting in bad areas, and I hate painting like in really bad ways of shitty products. So this should be a lot better to have a nice open area and good lighting and good paint and primer, so I can get this looking good. It was a little rusty, but I got down to be smooth and nice, so I can have a nice surface and make it look good. So, all right, here we go. I was gonna paint my intake tube satin black, but you can see all the marks and this and this. I just didn't like how it came out, so good old backup, wrinkle black, so it'll cover all the mistakes and things that you know are there and don't want people to see. So, wrinkle black it is. Brian's heating up right now. Gonna give a nice heavy coat of wrinkle black on the little intake tube. I primered the bash bar. It looks so good. It's a dark primer, so hopefully the color comes out kind of similar to what I want still. So yeah, got this all primered up. Then I'm gonna hit it with the what's it called? Graphic silver, whatever it's called, and hopefully match close to the Kansai Hyper Silver. So I'm gonna try my best. So got the first coat on. Looks freaking sick. Oh my god, I love silver. I hate reds and colors and things, but you know what you don't do? Just don't paint bash bars white, or do any any kind of white bash bar or wheel. Just no, at all. Believe me. I got some wrinkles going on here. Last night it was really cold and didn't come out too good, and I laid a really heavy coat, and I got back here and now it's looking freaking sick. Now, if you guys didn't know, when you guys do wrinkle block, you gotta lay it heavy. I mean, like heavy, like thick with 2 C's heavy. I got the front bash bar done and glossed up. There's a little run over here. I'm gonna wet sand tomorrow, but it's no big deal. I didn't want it to happen, but I'm impatient and I like to paint things fast. But you know, shouldn't do it like that. But I can't. I don't have patience. Anyway, looks really good. Love this color. The goal was to have this silver get as close as possible to the Kansai Hyper Silver to match the wheels, so it contrast and compensate for the car, so it can look really good. But the rear's all painted up now. I'm gonna let it sit overnight, come back tomorrow and do a few more coats and then put the clear on it. This one you're not gonna even barely see because it's covered by the bumper. All you're gonna see is like that, maybe that. You probably won't see that. But yeah, I wanna paint it anyway because you can't leave a, you know, bare metal thing to get rusted. So, a little paint job on there, and then tomorrow I'll come back and finish it and mount them on the car. But the wrinkle black intake tube looks so good. But we'll see you tomorrow, and that is now. Alright, so we are at the LZ warehouse and I'm installing some bash bars today, steering wheel, doing some maintenance, but also we're finally installing the TFF combo tank, catch can, and coolant overflow tank in one. I already got it mounted up here. It fits pretty well. I'm probably gonna have to trim my intake pipe thingy a little bit shorter so it doesn't hit this, but it's worth it because this looks sick and it looks awesome. But I got all the AN stuff I need right here, so we're gonna run -10 AN from here, and then I'll probably go, well, I want a 90 here to there, heat wrap it and stuff like that. I already got the line for the radiator to the overflow, which is really sick. I love how this looks. But if you guys didn't know, the last event, my oil drain line it kind of exploded and fell off and was disgusting, and Miguel rigged it for the time being. But now we're gonna do actual metal braided AN line -10, so with heat wrap, so it can be more durable and never happen again. So that's what we're doing today, and then a few of the maintenance things, and I'll explain later. But I got my car aligned today. Also got my rotors, Brian, what's it called? Turned. And they're all nice and brand new. The pads were fine, so I didn't change them. But also, my car has been driving really, really bad on one side, and this hub was destroyed. So I also replaced the hub too. So now it's perfect and back to normal. And I went and drove it, and I forgot how nice this car actually drives when it drives the proper way. So it's pretty good feeling. So now just maintenance and get the housing off now, and now we're gonna fix that -10 line so we can get that line in place so it's not ghetto rigged and it functions properly. Alrighty, so we have this janky, disgusting 1994 year AN line crap junk. Now we got vibrant braided line, -10 vibrant braided line, and we're gonna do a 45 on the bottom, and then a straight onto the oil pan, and it'll be nice and brand new. And do some heat wrap so it's protected. Just so you guys know, if you do a drain line, anything that's gonna get a lot of heat, don't use the normal black. God, what the fuck was that? Ow! Dude. There's the pointy thing, I guess. Oh my god. Whatever. Don't use the black braided line for a drain line. Use the metal braided line for the drain line, because it gets hot and it won't disintegrate over time. Holy god, geez. Alright, so we have the nasty, old, disgusting line. Now we have a new metal braided, vibrant line. So much nicer, so pretty. And then I'm gonna get a nice heat wrap right here. Throw it on there. We should be good to go. Got the nice heat wrap on there. Ready to go in the car. Drain line goes right up. And then, I'll do it in a second, but it goes up in there. But before I had that nasty, nasty line, and the manifold's literally right there, and it's glowing hot on that line. Over time, it just busted it. And now I'm gonna put this nice, vibrant line on there. We have the valve cover off on this side. If you guys are wondering why, we need to run a -10. God, that music's so loud. You run a -10 line from the new catch can over to here, but I'm not gonna run like a nice AN line and then a clamp and then, no. So we're gonna weld an aluminum -10 bung to the valve cover, and then I'll have to repaint this because it's gonna be scratched up, but it's okay. But luckily Brian's here, he's welded up real quick, and then have a -10 bung, a -10 line to the catch can, so it looks nice, professional, and I'm really excited for this. Vibrant aluminum bung, -10, ready to go on, and I'm really excited. It's gonna be really cool. Holy shit.
Did you get that one?
Yeah.
Yeah, fuck yeah.
My camera is working.
Here goes. Do it again.
Shooting flames over here out the exhaust. Got the new bung on there all welded up, thanks to Brian on the valve cover. Gonna clean it up, and then I taped it already so I can start painting this so I can get it back to normal. Bung's on there, now it's time to paint it. Alright, it is time for the True Focus Fab bash bar on the car. I got it raw and I had to paint it the color I wanted to paint it, so I painted it a silver, pretty similar to my wheels. It's not right there, but it'll look good in photos and such. It'll kind of mesh together. So I'm gonna mount it on real quick and I'm gonna film it, but I'm just gonna put it on and show you the end result. But huge shout out to True Focus Fab, making awesome bash bars and awesome products. Super stoked to be working with them, and I'm really happy with this bash bar. It looks so good. I painted it pretty good too, so when you got good paint and good welds, it always looks good. Alrighty, you got the whole catch can set up. This thing looks so sick. Before I had some ghetto ass like clamp to zip tie mount awesomeness over there, but it's not awesome, it's actually really shitty. But now we have a really legit setup with the TFF combo setup right here. It looks so much better. AN line to the valve cover. It looks so sick, and the bash bar looks so good. I'm stoked on that, and it matches the wheels. Almost identical, but it's silver. It works, all right? But hell yeah, I'm stoked. This is awesome. Now I gotta put the thingy, what the hell's it called? The temp gauge sensor, we didn't finish it, back on there, and then call it a night. But this car looks way better now. Now I get the turbo back on, cut the pipe, and we should be good. All right guys, I got a lot done tonight. I got the true Focus Fab catch can and overflow tank combo in the car. Nice, beautiful AN lines. I love AN lines. I hate clamps. This looks cheap to me. I have a really professional setup, and I'm really stoked on it. Once again, huge shout out to True Focus Fab for sending me out that combo tank and the bash bars. The bash bars look great. Super happy with it, but now I gotta clean up, and tomorrow I'm gonna fix the exhaust and a temp gauge rewire, and that should be good for Saturday. But okay, see you guys tomorrow. Bye.